Ready to launch your businesses, getting your employer identification number is a must. It's your ticket to handling taxes and hiring employees in just a few simple steps. You can get it hassle-free. Let's walk through the process together. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to get your employer identification number. So the first step that you have to do is just open a browser and dive into irs.gov and you will find this page as you can see. Also you can just dive over IRS and you'll find the first website. You have just to click over it. So an employer identification number is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to businesses for tax purposes. It's used to identify a business entity and is required for various activities such as filing taxes, opening a bank account, and applying for business licenses. So here we have how can we help you on IRS. We have here also apply for an employer ID number. So this is the one that we want. Or you can just go to the file and you click over business and self-employed. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. Here we have, first of all, you have to choose between employer ID number, employment tax, estimated tax, and foreign account tax compliance act. So I will select the first one, then I will find this page. So here we have the definition. An employer identification number is also known as a federal tax identification number and is used to identify a business entity. Generally, business need an EIN. You may apply for an EIN in various ways and how you may apply online. This is a free service offered by the Internal Revenue Service and you can get your EIN immediately. You must check with your state to make sure you need a state number or character. So you have just to click over apply for an EIN online, then you'll find this page as you can see. Apply for an employer identification number EIN online. Once you find this page, you have to follow the steps. The first step, which is to determine your eligibility, and we have here my apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States territories. Then you have the person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number, SSN, ITIN, and EIN. Then you have here you are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. Then the second step, understand the online application. You must complete this application in one session as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. Then the third step, which is submit your application. After all validations are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. So all I have to do right now is just click over apply now, online now, and you'll find this page. You have EIN assistant. This is how you can get your EIN assistant. The first step, here we have here important information before you begin. Use this assistant to apply for and obtain an employer identification number. Do I need an EIN? Do I need a new EIN? Then we have here about the EIN assistant. So we have here some information. You must complete this application in one session as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. For security purposes, your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. Then we have here will receive your EIN immediately upon verification. And we have if you wish to receive your confirmation letter online, we strongly recommend that you install Adobe Reader before beginning the application if it is not already installed. Then we have restrictions. Then you click over begin application and you will find other page, which is this one. So this is the step that you have to follow. The first one, which is identity and authenticate addresses, details, and EIN confirmation, and then you get your EIN. So here we have what type of legal structure is applying for an EIN. Before applying for an EIN, you should have already determined what type of legal structure, business, of type of organization is being established. Choose the type you are applying for. If you don't see your type, select view additional types. So we have the first one, sole proprietor, includes individuals who are in business for themselves, and household employers. Then we have the second one, which is partnerships, includes partnerships and joint ventures. Then we have the third one, which is corporations, includes S corporations, personal service corporations, real estate investment trusts, regulated investment conduits, and supplement funds. Then we have a limited liability company, LLS. Then we have estate trusts and view additional. So you choose, for example, partnership, and you will find other page, which is this one. So in this one, we have authenticate. Please tell us about the responsible party. You have to write your first name, your middle name, your last name, and you select here the suffix if it is junior, sir, or other thing. And then you have to write also your SSN or TIN here. Then here we have to choose if you are responsible and authorized partner or general partner of this partnership. Then if you are a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of this partnership. Before continuing, please review the information above for typographical error. Then you click over continue, and you'll find here addresses. You have to write your address, email, and your code, your zip code, your code postal, and other things. Then we have here details as well. You have to write some details. Then the last step, you have to confirm your EIN, and you get started with this pages or this website, which is RRS, and you get your EIN number. So this is it. So an employer identification number (EIN) is essential for businesses operating in the United States, serving as a vital identifier for tax reporting and compliance. Obtaining an EIN is a key step for business owners, facilitating various financial and legal processes. So this is how it works. You can just get started as soon as possible and get your employer EIN ID number. This is it. And here we have the tools and application that you have to, if you want also. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. Also, you have to know more information about this iOS, for example, information for filing for individuals, PayPal, and we have the payment, refunds, credits, and deductions, forms, and instructions. Then you get started. So this is it for this video. See you again in the next video.